How to search trending viral gifs on Instagram comments. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then, go to the post where you want to comment. Then click on the comment icon below the post. In here, you will find sticker-like icon beside add a comment. Click on it. Then, at the bottom right corner, click on Gif. After that, at the top in the search bar, you can simply search what you want to search, and at the top you will find all the trending viral GIFs. You can simply click on the GIF and comment GIF. As you can see, there are more trending GIFs. Simply click on it and it will be posted. This is how to search trending viral GIFs on Instagram comments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.